welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I have another fun DIY project for you, and this particular project can be used for a variety of occasions. I particularly use this for my best friend's Bachelorette weekend, but you can also use it on Halloween. You can use it for like a children's school event. So there's tons of things that you could use it for, and it's super affordable and so easy and quick to do. So if you're interested in making bunny ears and a bunny tail, stay tuned. So a list of the items you'll need will be in the description box below. And for this particular headband, it's not black, and I wanted it to be all black. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap mine in some black pipe cleaner. But of course, if you like the color of your headband, you can skip this step. So next we're going to do the bunny ears. So what you want to do is grab two pipe cleaners and combine them by twisting the ends together, and then you want to go ahead and shape it into a bunny ear, and then you want to connect the other two ends together and cut off the excess. Once you're finished the first bunny ear, you'll move on and create a second bunny ear. Now, to attach the bunny ears to your headband, we're simply going to do that using some hot glue, and you can spread your bunny ears as wide as you like, or you can have them as close as you like. It's totally up to you. So now we're ready to add our fabric. I'm using some lace fabric because, of course, for my friend's bachelorette party, I wanted it to be a little sexy. But of course, you can use whatever fabric you choose. So what you want to do is cut a piece of fabric that's slightly bigger than your bunny ear, and then we're going to start attaching it using hot glue. Once your glue has dried, you'll want to go back and trim the fabric off that is overlapping the bunny ear. And then you're going to have a piece towards the bottom, and what we're going to do is fold that up, and right behind the ear we're going to use some hot glue and we're going to attach it there. If it is too long, you want to trim it down just a little, but you do want to fold it up and attach it on the back side. So now that we have one ear done, you want to go ahead and repeat the same steps to finish off the second ear. So now we're going to move on to our bunny tail, and these are the items you'll need. So first we're going to take our paper plate, or you can even use a piece of cardboard. What you want to do is create a round circle like I'm doing here so that we can wrap the yarn around it. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the yarn and I'm just going to knot it around the plate so that it doesn't come loose while I'm wrapping the yarn around it. So then I'm just going to take my ball of yarn and I'm just going to tightly wrap it around the plate. just making sure that each time I wrap that it's lining up side by side. It can overlap some as well, that's fine. So once you get to about halfway around the plate, you want to take a separate piece of yarn and you want to weave it through from one end to the other end, as I'm doing in the video, and tie a loose bow because we need to untie it later and then put the actual knot in. Next, we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut the yarn on the outer side. So after you finish cutting it, you want to lay it down very carefully and you want to undo the tie that we previously did, and then you want to go ahead, tighten it and knot it. And that way it will form the yarn into a round little ball, which is going to be our tail. And then what you can do is just make sure all the pieces are pretty even. If you have any like long straggly pieces, you can cut them down so that they're even with the other pieces. And then if there's some that aren't even on one side or the other, you can pull them just slightly. Then after that, we're going to glue on our pins to the back so that you have a way to attach it to your outfit. And I found these at Michael's, and I found them at Hobby Lobby. So feel free to go to Hobby Lobby, but I'm sure Michael's has something similar as well. So what I'm doing is using the hot glue gun just to attach 2 of these to the back side, and yeah. And here's the completed project. So what do you guys think? It's so easy to make and it's super fun, super cute. We got a lot of interesting and fun attention when we went out to dinner, and we all were in our bunny ears. And as you can see from the photos, my best friend had her own separate color. So all the girls, we were in the black bunny ears, and then my best friend, because she was the bride, she was in the white bunny ears. So it was like super fun. Everybody could tell that, you know, we were celebrating my best friend. Remember, you can use these for a ton of different occasions, so you don't have to just kind of be stuck in the mindset of they're only for like a bachelorette party. You can use them for Halloween or make them for Halloween and all sorts of things. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe and tell a friend. And then also too, if you want, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think of this particular project. And as always, thanks for watching.